In a small village nestled between ancient trees, Amina was known for her courage and curiosity. The elders often warned children about the howling winds that swept through the night, claiming they carried the spirits of lost souls seeking revenge. One night, consumed by intrigue, Amina decided to uncover the truth. She ventured into the forest, guided by the eerie sounds that echoed around her. The winds seemed to whisper her name, pulling her deeper into the shadows. As she walked, she stumbled upon an abandoned hut, where she found an old woman weaving a tapestry of the night sky. The woman revealed that the howling winds were the cries of villagers who had not respected the spirits of the land. Each howl was a reminder of the pain and anger that lingered. To calm the winds, Amina had to perform a ritual of reconciliation, honoring the spirits with offerings from the village. With newfound determination, she returned home, gathered the villagers, and together they made amends. As they chanted and offered gifts, the winds softened, transforming into a gentle breeze. The village learned the importance of respecting their ancestors. I'm Adeo Dunfa, and my canvas holds 1,000 stories. Subscribe to hear them.